subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo is reportedly working on its upcoming 5G enabled phone in China called Oppo A72 5G. And recently, it was spotted on China Telecom listing that reveals the renders of the smartphone including some key specifications. According to listing, the Oppo A72 5G will support a 6.5-inch display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that will house 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone will feature a triple camera setup in a square module including LED flash. The AAA cameras will include 16-megapixel primary camera along with the 8-megapixel secondary and 2-megapixel third camera. The volume rockers along with the ejectable SIM card slot is present on the left edge, while on the right appears to have a fingerprint scanner equipped under the power button. The bottom of the phone houses a 3.5mm headphone jack, microphone, speaker grill and a Type-C charging port. Under the hood, the smartphone is listed to come powered by unknown 2GHz MediaTek MT6853V chipset. The device will pack with 4, 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with ColorOS 7 skin on top, and it is expected to house 4000 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support. Now talking about the pricing. The Oppo A72 5G is expected to price in China for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1699 Chinese yuan, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage model will be priced at 1799 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 128GB storage option will be priced at 1999 Chinese yuan. So as of now, that's all we know about the Oppo A72 5G smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.